We have all been there, looking at your legacy code and wondering how you let it get so out of hand. It's a mess, it's hard to maintain, and you've got 20 functions doing the same thing in different places. And let's not even talk about the variable names. You know it needs a refactor, but where do you even start? So naturally, you turn to AI. You figure, hey, GPT can handle this. It's smart, right? So after that, you've asked GPT to magically fix your entire code base. After all, it's an AI. Surely it understands the pain of working with legacy code, right? But here's the thing. AI doesn't know your code. It doesn't know the why behind it. Why you used that old unsupported library 5 years ago, or why that function is written like a time bomb waiting to go off, or why your code is the way it is. It only sees the text, not the context. So your shiny new refactor, it doesn't quite work. Big surprise, right? Turns out AI can't fix your bad code if it doesn't understand your project's intricacies. Sure, it can clean up some syntax, maybe suggest a few improvements, but it can't rewrite your app without knowing your app. Refactoring is hard. It's not about writing new code. It's about understanding the old code and making it better. It's about knowing which parts of the system are tightly coupled, which ones are outdated, and which ones are just waiting to break. And none of that is something AI can just get from reading your code. Real refactoring takes time. It takes experience, it takes knowledge of the system and understanding what can break when you make a change. And that's something only you can provide. AI can be a tool in your toolkit. It can help you find bugs, clean up syntax, and maybe even suggest better practices. But at the end of the day, it's up to you to understand your code, to make the decisions, and to do the hard work. Refactoring is painful, but it's the only way to make your code better. And while AI can assist, it won't replace the hard work and context that only you have. So take a deep breath, roll up your sleeves, and get to work.